Hi everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate our tool called CI Bench. CI Bench is a framework which aims to evaluate LLM-based program repair tools on CI failure data. For CI failure data, we are using Buxom artifacts, and we are aimed to use three tools uh, named SUI Agent, Agentless, and Autocode. For this demonstration, I will be working over SUI Agent with the GPT-4o model to fix an issue on Buxom artifact. So before going to demonstration, we need to install all those prerequisites. I have installed all those things. And then before going to run the tool, we have to build some YAML files under the task. So, and for the task, we have to actually replace the Buxom token and the OpenAI token, as we are actually going to run the tool using GPT-4o model. So I have actually replaced those tokens over there. The user needs to replace his own token, uh, which model he wants to run. And for the setup commands and the run commands, we have the docs to find out which command should be there for run setup commands and the run commands, and the parameters. The docs is here, and we have extensive video linked over here to how to build the YML file. So first of all, we need to actually set up the tool. So will be setting up the SUI agent tool using this command. This command has task name, tool, and environment option, and we have actually provided a sample command over there. I will run the sample commands. So we are done with the setting up the tool. Right now, we will be heading towards benchmarking the tool with an Buxom artifact. So we have this artifact over there, and we have sample command to run those things. So I am actually copying those things and running. At the time of running, we can see what issue we are fixing actually. So this is the fail log of that particular Buxom artifact. So we can see that there is a test failure over here, and then why this test has been failed, because of this null pointer exception on this particular file. So right now SUI agent is generating the patch to fix this issue. SUI agent has actually generated the patch. The patch file is here. Patch file path is here. You can see the patch over there. So right now we will be testing if the patch is plausible or not by hands. So using this command, by replacing the patch file path and the artifact ID, we can see that if the patch is plausible or not. So I am running this command. So yeah, we can see that this patch has successfully built the failed repository. So we can say that it actually fixes the null pointer issue and then actually successfully rebuild the repository. So now we will be testing if this patch is syntactically equivalent with the ground truth or not. So the ground truth of the patch is actually there. It is actually written by the real world developer, and we will actually compare with the LLM tool generated patch if they are actually equivalent or not. So yeah, we can see that they are not actually syntactically equivalent because of the placement of that channel not being null in those patches. So we have the options of running the multiple artifacts as well. So we will have to write the multiple artifacts over a file, and then we need to actually run this thing. So we have an sample command over there. So I will run that. So yeah, then it started running the multiple artifacts. Thank you.